Let's talk about something we all need, but we were never taught in school: a money management system. Not a budget or an app that makes you feel guilty about spending your own money, but a system that actually works in your life. This simple system uses 2 spending accounts and 3 savings accounts that simplify your finances. It takes away all your stress and gives every single dollar a purpose. It's designed for real life because life's not predictable, and your money shouldn't be trapped behind a spreadsheet. So let me break it down for you step by step. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Bart Mazur with Finance in a Forest, and for over a decade, I've been helping families take control of their money. Simple systems that actually work. All right, let's start with the 2 spending accounts. Well, most people lump their money into one checking account and they hope for the best. But then you're constantly stressed, wondering, is my mortgage payment gonna be there, or did I spend it on the groceries? Here's where the 2 account setup makes life so much easier. Number 1, the bills account. This is your no-touch account, and it's for reoccurring expenses like rent, utilities, subscriptions, and all you do is you add up how much you need for those things and make a direct deposit every single paycheck for that amount. That way, when the bills are due, there's no guessing and there's no stress. The second account is for everyday expenses like gas, food, going out to eat, and those little fun things that make life just a little bit more pleasurable. And once you're done spending in it, you're done until your next paycheck. And the beauty of this account is you can spend the money guilt-free because you know your bills are already paid. Why 3 savings accounts? Most people put all their money into one account and they move money in and out and just shuffle it around with no clear plan. And what this system does is it changes that. With 3 specific accounts, every dollar has a purpose. Let me break it down for you. Number 1, short-term savings. This account is a lifesaver, and it's not your traditional emergency fund. It's for expenses that don't happen monthly, but need to be accounted for. Things like annual insurance premiums, car maintenance, and maybe holiday shopping. You know these things are coming, so why not plan ahead? And for the curveballs life may throw at you, like medical bills or unexpected home repairs, this account has your back. The goal here is to stay ahead so you're not scrambling when life happens and reaching for that credit card. Number 2 is the lifestyle account. This one's all about the luxuries, the things that you want in life. Things like a new car or a dream vacation or maybe paying for your kid's wedding. By having a dedicated account for these, you can enjoy them guilt-free because you've already saved for them. Number 3 is a long-term savings account. This one's for your future. This is all about retirement, early retirement, or saving for generational wealth. It's not about quick access or big purchases, it's about the long game. Every dollar you put in here is about building the life you want later on. So how does it all work together? Let's say you get paid $3,000 every 2 weeks. Here's what it could look like. Number 1, you transfer $1,500 into your bills account for your rent, utilities, and other fixed expenses. Number 2, you put $800 into your daily expense account for your groceries, your gas, and those little fun extra purchases. Number 3, then you split the rest into your 3 savings buckets. $200 for those curveballs and those planned expenses we talked about, $300 into your lifestyle fund for those future luxuries and those things you want, and $200 into your long-term savings to build a foundation for retirement or your early retirement goals. With this setup, your bills are paid, you've got extra money to spend, and you're saving for your wants and your future. Why this system works better than budgeting? It's simple, there's no spreadsheets, so there's no tracking every single penny. It's proactive. You decide where your money goes up front, so there's no scrambling later. It's flexible, and when life happens, it adapts with you. The best part is this system gives you peace of mind. You're not wondering if your bills are being paid or feeling guilty about spending money. You're in control, and that's what matters most. All right, so let's imagine it's December. You've got rent coming in, holiday shopping, and a car repair that all of a sudden happens. With this system, you're prepared. Your bills account already took care of your rent or mortgage, utilities. The short-term account is covering the repairs, and your lifestyle account has that holiday trip to your parents covered without putting you in debt. Meanwhile, your long-term savings is growing in the background, untouched, working for your future. This system keeps everything organized and stress-free. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below if you think this system can work for you or you actually have your own version of this system. And if this system helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with a friend who could actually use this information. If you want more information about how to go deeper into this system, I have 2 separate videos that covers each portion of it, which I'll link in the description below or up here on your screen. And remember, managing your money isn't about perfection. It's about creating a system that works for you. Thank you for spending the time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.